Mathilde Loisel was a beautiful woman. She longed for a life of luxury. However, fate had dealt her a cruel hand. She was born into a family of clerks. She had no dowry, no hope of marrying into wealth.
I wish I could escape this life. I dream of grand parties and sparkling jewels. I feel like I'm meant for more.
Mathilde married a clerk named Monsieur Loisel. He was a kind and loving husband. He tried his best to make her happy. But their simple apartment and modest means could not satisfy her desires.
I know our life isn't grand, Mathilde, but I love you, and I'll do everything I can to make you happy.
Despite his efforts, Mathilde felt trapped. She felt like she was meant for more. The illusion of wealth. Every moment of her triumph. As the evening drew to a close, reality began to set in. Mathilde wanted to hold on to the illusion. She slipped away before anyone could see her modest wrap. She and her husband walked home, the magic of the night fading with each step.
I don't want this night to end. It's been like a dream.
Back in their apartment, disaster struck. The necklace was gone. Mathilde frantically searched her dress, her cloak, her belongings. It was no use. The necklace had vanished.
No, where is it? It can't be gone!
Despair washed over her. She had lost something irreplaceable. The Loisels were desperate.
We can't afford to replace the necklace.
They pawned everything they owned.
We borrowed money from anyone who would lend it to us.
Finally, they had enough to buy a replacement.
It's identical to the one I lost.
They returned it to Madame Forestier, hoping she wouldn't notice the switch.
Please, don't notice.
Madame Forestier accepted the necklace without a second glance.
But our troubles are far from over.
The crushing weight of deception had only just begun. They were now burdened with a crushing debt.
We moved into a tiny attic apartment.
Mathilde had to dismiss our maid.
I was forced to do back-breaking housework.
Her hands, once soft and delicate, were now rough and calloused. Years turned into a decade.
We worked tirelessly.
We scrimped and saved every penny.
They finally paid off their debt, but their ordeal had taken its toll. Mathilde's beauty had faded. She was now a shadow of her former self. One day, Mathilde encountered Madame Forestier.
I decided to finally confess.
She told her friend the whole story. Madame Forestier listened in astonishment.
My dear Mathilde, the necklace you borrowed was a fake. It was worth only a few francs.
The truth hit Mathilde like a thunderbolt. All those years of suffering had been for nothing. She had sacrificed her youth and beauty for a worthless trinket. Guy De Maupassant's The Necklace is a cautionary tale. It explores the themes of vanity, pride, and the dangers of coveting what we cannot have. Mathilde's desire to appear wealthy led to her downfall. She was so consumed by her longing for a more glamorous life that she failed to appreciate the simple joys of her own existence. Her pursuit of superficiality cost her dearly. The necklace remains a timeless masterpiece. It reminds us that true happiness lies not in material possessions, but in gratitude, humility, and the love of those who truly matter. It is a story that continues to resonate with readers more than a century after it was written. The necklace, once a symbol of hope and aspiration, becomes a symbol of regret and the destructive nature of unchecked desire. It serves as a warning to us all.